Last week, a client mentioned they were using feedback they'd received on a minimum viable product to make course corrections. My ears bristle whenever someone talks about correcting course on an Agile project. There's no such thing as course correcting in Agile. Am I crazy? After all, a fundamental part of Agile is acting on feedback to improve a product. My problem with the concept of course corrections is the way it presupposes there is one correct course and that it's possible to know that course in advance. That's not the case. Sure, many products begin with a product backlog that describes what the product owner thinks will be the right combination of features to achieve desired outcomes. But on any non-trivial product, this recipe cannot be fully known in advance. Successful products are created by iteratively homing in on the right combination of features. And that set of features can only be discovered through trial and error. No matter how much research a team does before developing a feature, they never know how users will respond to the new feature. Will users love it? Will they hate it? Will they use it? Will they use it as intended? So a product owner or manager places a sequence of bets. The result of each bet guides the product owner in placing the next bet. Course correcting means there was a single correct course. It implies that development has somehow deviated from this correct course and must be brought back in line. Instead of talking about course corrections, I talk about course adjustments. As a team learns more, it adjusts course rather than corrects course. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and hit the like button. It really does help YouTube know to show the video to others. And click the subscribe button if you'd like to be notified of future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.